Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll be having a look at Blockzero Labs. Before we get this video started, I must declare that this video is not financial advice. This video is specifically for educational purposes and entertainment. But we've got a lot to go through and it's going to be a really fun video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe to see more and let's get this video started. So what is Blockzero? That's the first one we'll be going into. Then we'll be going into the divisions, how the project is cemented and focus. And then we'll be going into Vortex's token and incentive layer of Blockzero. After that, we've got more things like tokenomics and the governance, voting, proposals, and participants, and the incentives mining, the mining program and opportunities itself. So as you can see, we clearly got a lot to cover, which obviously it makes this really exciting. So first thing is, what is Blockzero? So Blockzero is a decentralized, autonomous organization with a mission to build, launch, and scale the next generation of Web3 startups. And I've heard of Web3 before. This isn't my first time. Now, the entire success or failure of Blockzero can be measured through one simple thing, the Vortex. The Vortex is a development fund managed by Blockzero DAO. Inside it contained an index of native tokens from various blockchains and cryptocurrency projects, all valued, captured, or created by Blockzero. Now this gets really interesting when you take a look at the token itself, the native token of Blockzero that makes all of this amazing thing possible. It's called XIO. Really interesting name, and actually. So if you go to Blockzero Lab on CoinMarketCap, you'll actually see that XI0. It's actually a cool name in my opinion. So the only way to remove assets from the Vortex is through voting, staking, or burning XI0. The XIO token governs and aligns the incentives of the entire ecosystem. If the citizens utilize dev funds inefficiently, the TVL within the Vortex will decrease. If, however, the citizens utilize the dev funds efficiently to build innovative projects that push the industry forward, the TVL within the Vortex will increase. So we'll go on to divisions actually to help grow the Vortex. Blockzero is divided into 3 separate divisions. Each division is a unique purpose, focus, and goal. Now the Blockzero Lab thinks, creates, and grows. So the lab itself actually thinks, the Blockzero Studio creates, and the Blockzero Accelerator, that's the growth. Now there is a division overview, and we'll go through this nice and quickly so we can get through this as swiftly as possible. Now through a community of curious and contrarian thinkers called Blockzero Citizen, the focus of this division is to explore experimental ideas in a collaborative environment. In Blockzero Lab, citizens are encouraged to provide their talents, feedbacks, and liquidity to help grow the ecosystem. In exchange for these services, Blockzero citizens can participate in various XIO mining programs. Citizens are also encouraged to help Blockzero Labs in various ways, such as beta testing and product feedback, structuring of liquidity campaigns, and creating marketing strategies. Now it says right here on their website, Blockzero is a venture studio and accelerator built for the decentralized world. Powered by XIO, our mission is to help build, launch, and scale the next generation of projects in the decentralized world. Below are some of the alumni projects to Blockzero. They've got some interesting projects actually. Interestingly, they've also got UMA protocol. And I've made a video on UMA before, and I think I'll have to do an updated video on UMA because I didn't always know about this partnership between UMA and Blockzero. Now, projects are accepted to the accelerator and required to deposit a portion of their native token in the Blockzero Vortex. Now, these deposits turn into yield opportunities for XIO holders. Essentially, projects are swapping yields, generating opportunities with Blockzero. So the projects who apply for the Blockzero Accelerator must have a native token. The Blockzero Accelerator will be opening our first cohort of 3 projects in the coming weeks. If you'd like to apply, there are simple ways to do that. Now, next thing I want to go on is tokenomics. But before we go on tokenomics, let's understand a little bit more about the Blockzero token itself. So this token stands with a total supply of 100 million coins. Not to mention the circulating supply is much lower. It's 36.5 million circulating token. So I'm actually glad that this project has taken a decentralized step in the future and trying to help other decentralized products as well, and platforms and companies that are coming up and startups. I'm actually really glad of that. And as you can see, I've got good reasons to be happy because the price is relatively low considering that there's only a 100 million token in total supply and less in circulating supply. So naturally, this token clearly has a lot of potential simply because it's doing a great thing by trying to build up on Web3, the next Web3 decentralized applications. Not to mention, it's taking a decentralized approach by approaching decentralized businesses and decentralized platforms. This is good because with such a low supply in token, the price can easily hit $5, $10 in the next 2 to 3 years. And yes, that is a price prediction. You're looking at 5 years, this coin could be anywhere from $10 to 100, maybe even a lot more. But I must say, it all depends on how well Blockzero operates. It all depends on the appeal. If people actually build on Blockzero, if people actually support what they're trying to do, if the idea of what they're trying to do is successful, then yes, the token itself will indeed be successful. And that's good because that's quite low. Now, if you look back last year in August the 10th, 2020, the price was actually at its all-time high of 0.86 cents. So that's interesting because the price actually fell back down to around 18 cents in October, the 1st of October. So that's quite interesting in itself. So let's have a look at the token now, the tokenomics. So the XIO token is the primarily governance token of Blockzero. Holding XIO allows you to earn tokens from past, current, and future Blockzero accelerator projects. There are 3 ways to earn it. Well, this is quite interesting. 3 different ways to earn token and to earn rewards. So they've got liquidity mining. Add liquidity to Ether XIO liquidity pool and earn 5 to 15 yields per month up to 180% APY. They've also got mental mining, provide input and feedback on various Blockzero protocols and earn up to 1,500 a month, 1,500 US dollars a month. And last but not least, talent mining. Offer your development, operational or marketing talents and get compensated for your value. So that's 3 ways on how to earn rewards. Now, the tokenomics itself, the native token that fuels the entire ecosystem. Now, the XIO token is used to make a vote on important proposals. The reward, the XIO token, can be earned through various incentives program, including the ones that we just discussed: liquidity mining, mental mining, talent mining. There's also staking as well. The XIO token can be staked into the vortex to earn. The XIO token can also be staked into the vortex to earn simultaneous yield and native assets from several different startups. Now, there were initially 25 million tokens given away to the active community members in October of 2019. That's incredible. 2019, guys, that's amazing. So the remaining tokens were separated into 3 different wallets. Now, what is the token itself? Now, the token is an ERC20 token, which is good. It means that this is easy to acquire. It's also easy to save. It's easy to use this on almost any wallet that accepts Ethereum. This is great. Max supply, as we discussed before, it's 100 million. Primary utility is of governance. And it gets more interesting in that area as well in terms of governance. I will leave a link to this article in the description so you guys can check this out for yourself and to read more about Blockzero itself. It'll be very interesting, I can promise you that, to say the least. So thank you for watching. This video has been really educational. Really enjoyed making this video, so I hope you've enjoyed it as well. If you haven't enjoyed it, let me know. Feel free to give me criticism because I welcome criticism. I'm always looking to improve my videos. But overall, thank you for your support, for watching,